So we have our tags here, which is to access TrendNet wireless access point from the home PC, and we have a bunch of tags we have to do here. So the first thing we want to go to is our home PC. That is where we're doing all the work. And we have the IP address. We'll just copy this and paste here so that it takes us to TrendNet. Alright, we're in TrendNet. What is the password and username? Admin is the username, and password is going to remain password. Oh, admin. Password is going to remain password. Alright, so we are in this. Alright, so we have a lot of things we need to do here. First of which is change the setting on the wireless access point. Wireless access point. So we go to wireless. and we'll go to basic, and then the name we're giving used for the SSID is going to be police van. It's going to be our new SSD, so we just copy and paste here. And then what else are we changing? No, so that is all we are doing here. So we just apply. It's going to require us to put the password again. Admin password. Click OK. Alright, so what else do we have to do? Says use WPA PS2K authentication with IES for encryption, configure for watching. Alright, so for these, for all of these, we're gonna need to go into we're gonna go into the administrator mode, go to management. Nope, we still remain on wireless, go to advanced. Nope, security rather. Let's go to security. So police van is currently open. We don't want it to be open, we want it to be passworded. So it's going to be WPA2 PSK. WPA2 PSK. Alright, so that is done. AES, the passphrase is going to be for watching you. Copy this and just paste here so that I won't make any mistake. Alright, so is there any other thing we need to add here for watching you? Change wireless access point. Alright, so we just apply this. Alright, so what else do we need to do here? It says change the wireless access point administration authentication credentials from the default as follows. Alright, so I think for this we might need to go into administrator, going into management, and the username is going to be this, but admin, so we just change this. Change it. It's no longer going to be this admin anymore, it's going to be this. And for the password, it's going to be stay out. Stay out. So go in here, and then is there any other thing? So we just apply. Alright, so is there anything we need to do here? Nothing we need to do here again. So let's just go to home PC. Let's go to home PC. Let's go to computer decks, and so we'll configure the home laptop to connect to the wireless network. So this is the home laptop. So we just go to the network, of the home network. Alright, so police van is here, so we just connect this automatically. It says connect the settings automatically, so our password is this for watching you. So we just copy this and go to this connect automatically, input our password, showing here that it is connected. Just to be sure, we will go to settings, network. Alright, so it shows that this is connected. Alright, so I guess we're good to go. So let's just go ahead and scroll up. If this was helpful, remember to share so that other people can benefit.